Hello, today I'd like to show you this lovely, stylish and versatile chair right here. You can use it for your vanity, you can use it in your bedroom or just like a living room maybe. This really depends on you. You can choose in between two colors. So I've got mine in gray, but you can also choose pink, I think, as far as I remember. And I really love this one. Like in here we've got like padded seat, and this seat can be like removed. If you try hard enough, it can be removed, and then all the covers can be washed, so that is really great, and that's why I like it so much. And I mean, it looks good in pretty much every single room, especially with this color right here, and I think that's why I really love it. Also, what's really great about this chair is that it has no armrests in here, so this means you can tuck it away under the desk and it's pretty much going to go like a little bit deeper, so it's going to pretty much save you space. And I really like it since, like, I mean, it's comfortable. I use it by my vanity, as you can see, when I'm doing my makeup, so I really love that. I can use that by my computer as well. So I think you're gonna like it as well. It's really good quality, as you can see, and of course it can go up and down as well. It's all nicely adjustable. So what else would you want? I would definitely recommend this one.